What's up everyone, this is freeze frame clone effect, and today I will use a new method to make it easily in VSDC Video Editor. Although I have uploaded this topic before, but this one is something different because I will make a freeze frame clone using VSDC where the free shape customization technique is something different, and this will save you a lot of time. So let's jump to the main topic without wasting any time. So first create a blank project and then insert your footage. Once finished, select your freeze frame clone position. Select your footage and then create a snapshot. Then drag and drop it above your footage and place it as you can see in this video. Double click on that snapshot and add a free shape. Double click to the free shape and select all the shape point of the free shape. Then delete them all. Now let's go to the free shape option and then click to insert point and hit start a new shape. Then create a new shape pointing your object's border. It will take some time, but it is much more than easier than the last video that I have uploaded. Well, it's easy and save you time and energy, and it will make your freeze frame clone effect more realistic. And once finished, get back to the snapshot. Don't forget to paint it black. And then change the layer to inverted mask. Boom! Your freeze frame clone effect has been created. Now you can make more awesome freeze frame clone effect in one footage, as you can see in this video. Once finished everything, let's see the final result. You can also make this freeze frame clone effect more effectively. Hope you have understand what I would like to explain in this video, and if you have any question, don't forget to comment me, like and share, subscribe for more. Stay tuned. Thank you.